everyone, it's Morgan Morris, VP of Marketing at CO2 Meter, and we're out here early welcoming you to Persimmon Hollow Brewery, a local gem here in Deland, Florida, known for its handcrafted beers and deep community roots. Since 2014, Persimmon Hollow has been creating unique brews that bring people together. Today, we're proud to partner with them to ensure their safety with advanced CO2 gas safety systems. At CO2 Meter, we understand the critical role carbon dioxide plays in the brewing process, but it's also a potential hazard if not properly monitored. That's why we've partnered with guys like Persimmon Hollow to provide reliable fixed CO2 safety systems to protect their team and also help them ensure compliance with safety standards. Today, we're showcasing a live installation of our CO2 safety monitoring systems, demonstrating just how simple it is to install and implement CO2 safety in any facility. From fermentation tanks to keg coolers, our systems are designed to provide 24/7 safety monitoring. Our plug-and-play systems make it easy for breweries like Persimmon Hollow to prioritize safety without disrupting any operations. At CO2 Meter, we're also proud to partner with breweries like Persimmon in creating amazing beer while prioritizing safety. If you're interested in seeing this awesome brewery install, keep on watching. And to learn more about CO2 safety monitoring, installation services, or gas safety trainings, visit us at co2meter.com.
Here's what you will need to get started. A remote CO2 storage safety 3 alarm, which includes a remote display unit, sensor unit, power supply, warning signage, Cat5 cables, mounting hardware and screws, and the only thing not included that you will need is a power drill and a screwdriver. Above the sensor unit, you will need to drill a hole that goes all the way through both walls to feed the power supply and Cat5 cables through. You will want to drill the holes for your sensor unit 12 inches above the floor in the area you want to monitor. Once you have screwed in the mounting bracket, plug the Cat5 cable into the RDU port and slide it onto the mounting bracket. The remote display unit will be on the other side of the door outside the monitoring area so that staff can easily be alerted of a compromised area. Next, we'll move on to the remote display unit. This unit will be on the other side of the door at eye level for easy noticeability. Use the mounting bracket to mark your holes, then drill and use the included screws to secure it in the wall. Insert your Cat5 cable into the input port of the remote display unit and slide it from the top down onto the mounting bracket. Next, the strobes will be installed high up for easy visibility. Simply use the included screws to drill in the strobe, then connect the Cat5 cable from the strobe to the strobe port of the sensor unit. You will also want to install a strobe outside of the monitoring area, again high up for easy visibility. Follow the same steps, but connect the Cat5 cable into the remote display unit. After you are finished installing, fill the hole above the sensor unit with caulking to ensure proper insulation. If you find yourself with extra wiring hanging, try using a zip tie for cable management. To finish your installation, you should test to make sure everything is in working order. Apply 5% carbon dioxide to the sensor port on the front of the sensor unit. Your units and strobes will visually and audibly alarm, starting from alarm 1 to 3. Allow a few minutes for the device to come back down to normal levels and out of alarming mode. If you have any questions about the installation, reach out to us via email at sales@co2meter.com or call 877-678-4259. Thanks for watching. Find the remote CO2 storage safety 3 alarm on co2meter.com and don't forget to subscribe.